I treated myself to a brand new keyboard. This is the Keychron V6 Max. I'm really excited to open this. This is a mechanical wireless gaming keyboard. All things considered, this keyboard was pretty cheap. I got it for like 115 bucks. Ooh. And these keys, the keys that I got, you could choose from the reds, the browns, and the bananas. And I got the bananas, but these keys are hot swappable. So if I don't like the sound of them, I can change them. Because yeah, the feel of the keys is one thing, but the sound is another important thing for me. Oh, thank you, girl. Yeah, you can get your hair all over and under the keys, so I have to clean out like every single month. Yeah? Is that what you're gonna do? I actually like that there's no wrist rest because this wrist, like, it's just so bulky. And listen how squeaky it is. This thing's like 5 years old. Oh, that is nice. I really like that. Okay, compared to, yeah, no, that definitely sounds like, versus, oh my God, that's like, I'm not even an ASMR person, but that's orgasmic. Should I take that out? Oh, and it's got these two little kickstands in the back. That's very nice. Nice lightweight. Let's see. Ooh, the arrow keys are separated. All these keys are ooh, this is nice. This is very, very nice. I am very happy just with how this sounds. I also like the height of it. It's not too like dramatic either. They feel great too. But I also noticed that the keys are like rounded. Oh my God, it's a rotating wheel thing. I'm John Travolta. Oh, and there's a button too. As opposed to these buttons when I want to do the volume. Click, 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 click. That's the smooth volume wheel. Sighted people need to look at their keys. Who needs it? But this one does have backlighting, but I'm just gonna turn it off, which will probably help out my battery a ton because this is a USB-C rechargeable battery as well. I want everything, all of my electronics to be USB-C, so this is just another to the list.